I have kept this a secret for a whole month. I am surprising Kai again. We are going to Dublin in the morning and I'm surprising him with his best friend coming with us. His best friend and my best friend. They're together, Alex and Ben. I cannot wait to surprise him in the morning. He has no idea. But I thought I would vlog my little trip to Dublin. I have done a whole itinerary. Me and Alex have sorted it out behind both of the boys' backs. Ben now does know. He got a little bit more suspicious than Kai. Plan is, the flight's at 6:30, so I'm planning to get to the airport at about 3:30. We're going to go in, we're going to get a drink at the bar, and Alex and Ben are going to surprise us. Well, surprise Kai. We have lots of fun things planned. I've booked a bus. I've booked the Guinness Storehouse. I'm going to go to the Temple Bar. We're just going to do everything. So we're going to take you guys on my day tomorrow. I've never been able to pull anything off like this before. Let's hope that I can do it. We are going to Dublin in the morning. We are very excited. Yes?
Yes.
We have everything all sorted out. I never put makeup on to go to the airport, but because it's just for the day, I've got everything laid out in the order that I'm going to use here. Got my clothes here. Kai's pretty much done the same thing, but he obviously doesn't put makeup on. It is now 10:30, so we are going to go to sleep because we have to be up at 3 o'clock. No, it's less than that. It's 4:30. We are leaving at 3:20. But we are so excited, aren't we? So we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It is 3:10. I have showered. I'm just starting to get ready. I need to leave in 10 minutes. So I do need to be quite quick, but I'm not going to do too much makeup anyway, so it shouldn't take me too long. I'll see you when I'm ready. I am all ready to go now. This is my outfit. And we are slightly behind schedule. Let's go. Now Kai's just gone to the toilet, but I'm starting to get nervous because I think Alex and Ben have just left theirs, so it doesn't take them long to get to the airport either, so they're probably going to be here soon, but I'm just getting nervous because I'm worried about how he's going to react. I don't know. Make sure you stay tuned to see how Kai reacts to him seeing his best friend at the airport, which he definitely isn't expecting. We're already through security, so we're just going through to the main thing now. That was so quick, but I'm not surprised because it is 10 to 4 in the morning. Getting some breakfast already in Wetherspoons. 2.
You around for a round today?
Oh, you're lying.
Hi Alex! How you feeling? Are you happy? Did you actually have no idea?
Yeah, not eating it, Scooby mate.
Got my breakfast, got a bacon butty and a hash brown. Kai got a large breakfast. Alex and Ben are ordering theirs now because I couldn't make him wait, otherwise they would know. Yes. Finally fully go through the itinerary with Kai because he actually doesn't know it. We're landing at about 8 o'clock. We're going to get the bus to the city centre. We're going to walk to Trinity College.
Oh, yeah.
That's me.
Get through the first bit of the day because then it gets better.
We need to go to the Guinness Storehouse, finish the tour, and we walk to St Patrick's Cathedral.
I'm open-minded, but I just don't know what you do.
We're all done with breakfast. We're going to go to the gate soon. Kai is now not window shopping, he is shopping for coffee. Oh my god, I didn't know you got 3. Wow. Let's see if there's anything that I want to shop for. I shopped, I didn't window shop, and I bought some Magic Stars. Me and Alex have never been to the airport together before, so this is a bit of a weird one for us. We're on our way. We're going to board the plane soon, so it's nearly time to board. Hoping that no one takes this seat and that seat. Are you happy about your surprise?
Yes.
Was you surprised?
Yeah.
Guys, we managed to do it. No one is sitting next to us, so Kai switched places. That was a bit of a bumpy one. That scared you. I think that woke Ben up. It is 10 to 8. It's a little bit cold, to be honest. It's slightly cold.
I'll play.
Bus is there, and we're going to Trinity College. we're on the coach. It's about half an hour, 45 minutes. Reason being we're at Trinity College is, go on Alex, you explain because I don't know.
Well, because normal people on Netflix was filmed here.
So we're going to have a look, take photos.
Yeah. Have you never seen it?
No, I've never seen it. I've never seen it. It's here, it's here, it's here. We are now walking to Guinness Storehouse, and we've also changed what we're going to do. We booked, what is it?
Like a prison, an old prison.
Right. And it's like,
Apparently it's haunted event, but I'm not sure about that.
this is very different, I think, to London.
Yeah,
very different, and it's nice to see different parts, different places. It's very Christmassy. Oh, look at this, guys. Wow. What to expect, but I'm about to try Guinness. Got our little Guinnesses. Cheers.
Cheers.
About half the glass. 3.
Alex,
From the
what do you
malted
think?
barley at the tips of your tongue.
Ben?
Rich roasted flavours in the centre and around your cheeks.
Kai.
And in the back you should be getting a nice hit from
I think
the
he
hops.
likes it. Bit of an awkward one. We already, majority of us don't actually drink Guinness. Kai's the only one, and they gave us an extra one, so now we've got 3 to try and get through. So this is going great. Update, we have just finished. We're just about to leave. I've got this big bag. We've got 2 engraved glasses, then some playing cards and some golf ball things. We're now going to go for some lunch at an Italian margarita. Don't know what that is, but it's got truffle on it. Lasagna, and then Ben's is coming. He got calzone, and then we got some chips. Well, Alex did. Food is finished. We just spoke to our first Irish person, and it was hilarious. The boys didn't understand half of the things he was saying, but it was quite funny.
It was lovely.
He was lovely. He was so nice. We just got to the prison, so we're gonna go in.
£20 a point.
How was your food, guys?
Absolutely lovely.
Lovely.
Very
Great.
nice.
Got some shortbreads here. Might pick one of these up for my nan. Should I get the shamrock shortbread or the Irish shortbread for my nan? I'm not sure. We're here. We're inside. Found a seat. The taxi driver said that it's really expensive, so we're just gonna see. Hello. Hello. Fortunately, it's taking a turn for the worse. It's raining.
It's soaking.
It's so wet.
I didn't wear a coat.
Look how wet.
Yeah.
So we have the portal. This is not open.
All the way in the rain, it's not open.
Yeah. So we're now going to walk back to the bus stop. Honestly, the rain is so bad. We are now back on the bus. That was very stressful. We thought it was picking us up where it dropped us off. It ended up not doing that. But anyway, we found it. We should have about an hour and a half in the airport, and that is it. Hopefully it's not too busy. We're back at the airport. There is so much Guinness stuff here. It's a joke. We're just about to board. Just boarding the plane, and it's still raining. Really bad. We're on the flight. We're about to take off. Alex and Ben are there.
Can you see him?
Yeah, just about. We're leaving Alex and Ben in a second. I think it's so weird the fact that we've been to another country and back in one day. That is my weirdest thing, and I still can't get over the fact that we managed to pull that off with them. We have had a lovely time, haven't we?
It's been
Boys,
amazing.
have you liked it?
It's been a top day. Absolutely.
It's been very good.
Good fun.
Very good.